guys, today I'll be playing Monkey's Place. Yeah, guys, Monkey's Place is basically a game. It's kind of like No Tag. I found it because of my brother. Thank you to my brother. Bro, you can say hi if you want.
Hello.
Yeah, guys, I don't know if y'all hear him. Say hi louder.
Hello.
Okay, I don't know. But yeah, if y'all heard him say hello, yeah, that's cool. Yeah, guys, thanks to my brother, I found this game, and he's helping me get more content to make, because I am running out of ideas. Yeah, guys, thanks. Shout out to my brother. Even though he doesn't have a YouTube channel. Or he can't make videos. But it doesn't matter. So shout out to him. Yahoo! Yeah, he's too young. Alright, guys, let's go. Alright, I'm gonna be going to server 1. It said private servers, right? See, look. Guys, I'm loading. Wait, what?
How do you make that monkey sound? What's that?
What monkey sound? What monkey sound?
Ooh, how do I get that? Where's that? Where is it? How do I get that? Do I buy it? Okay, so yes, you buy it. You don't find it. Okay, say monkey once if you buy it. Say monkey twice if you don't.
Monkey.
Okay.
Seven. I challenge you to a rap battle. Come on. I want to show you. 4.
I don't want a rap battle.
2. 1. Okay. 1. Do you? Yes.
Yo, come on, let's go to all 3 places.
I'm in my own code, so let's go. Wait. No, I need to go inside. Cool. So you guys see how laggy the server is? How? How is it actually his laggy? Alright, guys, let's go for 2. Great, I'm gonna lock this background. Is it okay? Take 2 because we screwed up on the first one. Yeah, but I'm not gonna stop. Y'all just wait with me. I guess you're going. Why is it everything not I do that? I wanna go shut my door. It does that, like it says resume. And it loads. See? Let it go. Ooh. Why is it so laggy? Stop being so laggy. Not laggy, then my character lags. Server 10 is my favorite. Alright, y'all. So I guess we're here now. Yeah, so me and everyone for the video. So yeah, guys, we're just gonna go. So basically, yeah, guys, you can go anywhere you want. There's a bunch of places. I've been to. Wait, I'm fine. I've already been here. Horror and next box is down there. If y'all want me to play that, comment down below for the next video. I cannot go down here because I'm not trusted user yet. I've seen that plays game a bunch. See, time to trusted user. I think I had to play all that time. I don't know if it resets or not, but yeah. No. I don't even know how I got that one, I don't even know why. Y'all can find it on your own. I'm not gonna show you guys anything or any secrets are, because I don't know if y'all. Yeah. At the little studio, so I just want to take a picture here. and that's for horror videos. But nah. Let's go. There's also a J-Man collection. So yeah, basically if J-Man plays this, he'll have his own little collection. His head, you have his head and feet, you have the head, you have the little phone around your waist. You know this? See? Now this game knows what it's doing. You also have just the owner. But y'all can also have Gandalf juice and Oculus controllers. You want to be rocking out with the VR headset, y'all can. Oh, so there's also like special stuff here too. So basically it's 1,500 for all this. You want Rainbow Monkey? Speed to make you go faster, no gravity, or scale, which makes you like taller or smaller, large or bigger. Nope. I swear, if I get demonetized for that one little bit, I've been demonetized in my VCR videos for Crowd Rave, and I get it. But if I get demonetized for that, I'm tired. I keep messing up my F's and my T's. If I get demonetized for that, I'm not gonna be that mad, because YouTube is the reason why I'm doing this. I'm not really, because I also have a bunch of blue people who are watching me. Yeah, viewer, that's you. Yeah. Oh yeah, guys, this is actually I'll backfight. Oh, is that? Oh, I went to this map before. Yep. Yeah, but you need 2 people, and I don't know what happens next because I haven't done that. But yeah, guys, so we're gonna go inside Hypermap. Hey guys, let's go. Yeah, Hypermap basically makes you move very fast, guys. You're extra small, but you move very fast. Let's go. Yeah, y'all. Sadly, Blue Arena cannot join us today because I didn't get on with them because I didn't want to because I'm tired. But I still made a video because you guys are awesome. So yeah. Let's go. Made on top, guys. So let's go. Alright, this is my sister. Yeah, let's go. What's that? Ugly Bakui. Okay. Forgot I'm not a private server. There's the club. There's another map. Oh, so you guys look. Is that here? What's this? I forgot they updated it. Because before I made this video, they updated it. Like, as soon as I got... So do I have to like jump from like here to here? Or do I like can like do this? How it says world's hardest jump. I feel like I can actually do it though. Trying to commit world's hardest jump. Is that? No, it wasn't. Alright, let's do it again. If you want to see like a video dedicated to trying to make that, comment down below. Yeah. Oh, there's also another room here too. I forgot what it does. Because you can go up and stuff. Yeah, y'all. I think this is the trailer. Wait.
The game you all have been waiting for. Monkey's Place. There are so many maps to play. It's crazy, honestly.
I know I said I wasn't gonna show you guys these secrets, I'm gonna leave that in. Because then you all can get popcorn. Because, you know, movies are cool. You wanna go to the club? You was at the club. I don't know if it's copyrighted, but don't care, cause I have a monkey. No, I was, oh my god. Oh no. What is this? Nah, bro. You want to go through? Wait, I want to try to actually do it. Oh. No, I'm not gonna do it anymore. Alright guys, that's all I'm gonna show you guys for now. Cause guys, that's all I'm gonna show you off. That's all I'm gonna show you off, guys. Because that is, y'all gotta go support yourself on. No, Monkey's Place. Monkey's Place. Y'all need to go check that out, okay? But I will see y'all next time. Y'all have a lovely day or night. Okay, guys. You guys are awesome. You guys are beautiful too. I see you. I see you through the camera. I see you through my Oculus. Beautiful seg. Yeah, y'all have a wonderful day and night. Y'all can subscribe if you want. It would help me out a bunch. It also make my day. Yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye. Goodbye.
No, I'll never say goodbye.